Today I am explaining the topic simulation. What is simulation? It is the imitation of the operation of real world process or system over the time. Generation of artificial history and observation of that observation history. It is an imitation just for artificial history. Simulation. It is a recent research techniques and then it is a quantitative research. One sample definition. Simulation can be defined as a set of techniques for manipulating a model of some real world process for the purpose of finding numerical solutions that are used in the real process that is being modeled. It is a quantitative research and it is recent research technique. It can be used as analysis tool for predicting the effects of the changes, and it can be used as predicated the performance of the changes. Okay, and another one, and it is used the assessment of a situation. We can evaluate the situation. Okay, then we can understand the situation. After that we can decision making situation. Okay, then next we have to study the steps of stimulation. Okay, first one, identifying the process or systems to be simulated. First one, we have to identify the problem, we have to define the problem. Okay, then next, decide the purpose of simulation. What are the objectives of simulation? Then we have to study next. Next one, develop a mathematical model on the basis of available information on the process or system. Okay, then we have to collect several sets of input data for use. Input data for use. After that, determine the types of simulations. Types of simulation we have to study. Then computer simulation, man-made simulation, another one computer-man simulation. We have to study that one. Okay, last one, operate the simulation with the various sets of input data. These are the steps of stimulation process. Okay. To study the types of simulation. Three types of simulation. First one, man simulation, computer simulation and man-computer simulation. First we have to study the first method types, man simulation. It is a game played in a laboratory setting to stimulate people in real world. What is that? Example, robot, rockets, man-made robots, rockets. Okay. Then next one, computer simulation. It's a computer simulation. It is a computer model that mimics the operation of a real or proposed system. Example, our day-to-day operations of a bank transactions or ATM procedures. We can check the bank transaction or bank statement through mobile, through email or through internet. Okay, then that is the computer simulation. Next, third one, man-computer simulation. Simulated international situations involving treaties, wars, etc. are then played by the groups if both are used to imitate a situations. Okay, both are, that means computer and man also imitating. That means software updations. We are making software, computer software. We are making that one. That's also man-computer simulation. Okay.